Alright, so as you can see, I was up a little after 6. I laid in bed for a little bit and then got up around 6:30. So basically what I do every day, no matter what, is I have to get up around the same time, get ready for the day. And if I have a day where I'm not on the schedule, like today I was not on the schedule, then I basically wait until about 8:30 to find out if I'm going or not. And surprise, surprise, I actually just messaged my one supervisor. It's like a little after, well, it's 8:23 right now. So I texted him, asked him if I was in the clear to have the day off. He said yes. So it looks like we're gonna do our little day trip to Knoebles, Dominik and I. So it opens at noon. And it's about a 2-hour drive, so I figured we leave here around 9:30, 10 o'clock-ish. That is the plan. And then we're gonna buy the day passes, so I think they're around like $50, so you can just ride all day, and then planning on staying for as long as we possibly can. Look what came in the mail. I'm so excited. So I did open the box already. I figured I could just show you everything that came in this box this month. So this is the little paper that they send in there. So it was Express Yourself was the theme of the box. And then they have all of the products and then the prices listed on the back there. So I'm pretty excited about this one. There's different products. The first thing that I got was the Dr. Brandt Backlight Primer, and it says it's Prime, Blur, and Glow. So I have been kind of on a primer kick right now, but this one obviously did not have yet. So this one says it retails for $38. So pretty excited to try that. Then I got the Volition Turmeric Brightening Polish Face and Body. So this one I did see on the website. I was a little curious about it to see, and then it wound up coming in the box. So that's kind of cool. So this is what the product looks like. I don't want to open it yet because it does have a seal on it and I'm not going to use it yet. So I have so much skincare. I think I'm actually going to do like a little skincare organize with me vlog because I am literally swimming in it. And that retails for $38 as well. Then I did get the, is that how you say it, Rhodial blush drops. This I was a little intrigued by because I think the color is super pretty and it definitely has like a glow factor to it. It's not something that I would have picked up on my own, which is kind of why I like getting BoxyCharm, because a lot of times it's stuff that I wouldn't pick up and then I wind up loving the product. And this is what it looks like. So it's like a bronzy color and the shade is Sunset Kiss. So really pretty. I'll do a little swatch on my hand and show you what that looks like. And that one retails for $50, which is really high for a blush. The next product I got is really pretty packaging. So this is Moonlit and it looks like it's a lipstick pencil, and I did open it. It's red. So I'm not really wearing reds right now, but it'll be nice to have, and that was $18. And it looks really pretty. I'll do another swatch so you can see what that looks like. And this I was super excited to get because this is gorgeous. So I'm starting to get quite a collection of Violet Voss palettes now from having BoxyCharm, but this is the Sun-Kissed Summer palette. Super pretty. This one retails for $37. This is what it looks like. It's gorgeous, and sorry, there's a bright light there. So I will do some swatches and then you can see it, but really pretty. Really excited about this middle shade here, the Sensation. I think it's going to be perfect. And also this Sunny's Out right below it, the shimmer, very pretty. So very excited to put this into rotation, give this a try, and I'll show you some swatches. And since we're here, I might as well show you a couple things that I just got in from Amazon. So I did order these. So I saw another blogger or YouTuber talking about these little trees and how good they smell. They're supposed to be cotton candy scented. So I found a pack of 6 on Amazon, decided to grab them, and we'll put one in the car today. So there's that. Very exciting. Yeah, I know. Super exciting. This I had to pick up because I remember using this way back in the day, and I have not bought it in quite a long time. So not a fan of the name, but I know it works really well. So decided to grab a container of that. I still have my Easter pillow covers on my living room couch, so I wanted to switch them out. I love anything with bees, so I found this. This one is nice. This is a different one that I normally, or different company that I normally order from. This is super soft. The material is really soft. And then that was the first one. This is like the honeycomb kind of look to it. This one, I just opened it up and there's like a little mark here. So I don't know what that is from. So not 100% happy with the fact that there's like a mark on here. But again, super soft. I don't think it's going to be too noticeable. And look, yeah, it's on the other side too. So what the heck is that? Maybe it's like ink or something. I don't know. And then look how pretty this one is. It's just so pretty. So again, really, really soft material. Here's the other side so you can see it the right way. But really, really pretty. And I need to change my cushions. Covers. I need to change the covers on my cushions. Look at how cute these were for Easter. This was the one that I got. I love this. This is so cute. And then look at this one. The little duck. But yeah, it's definitely time to change these out.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue? Not blue. Blue too. Bad mood.
We made it. We are here exactly when it opened at noon. My driving the mail truck has paid off because I got us here avoiding the turnpike, which I hate, in 2 hours, all on back roads. So driving that damn mail truck has paid off because we're here, and there's the roller coaster Dominik wants to ride that I don't know about yet. Favorite ride in the whole park. We're gonna ride this 5,000 times. Here it is. Ready? How many times are we gonna ride this thing? Oh, it's dark. one of the best parts about coming to Knoebles is all of the yummy food. So the first treat of the day, we got funnel cake. Driving the boat. Don't get us stuck. You have to actually drive it.
Ow.
Steer. I'm on a boat.
Alright, we're gonna stop here.
No, we're not. Turn the boat. Turn it. Don't get us stuck on an angle. Hit the ones with the big most points. Oh, there you go. Now we got the Dippin' Dots, banana split, and Dominik's first time trying them. What do you think? Is it weird? It's good.
My daughter probably do it for a little better. I'm trying to show.
Ooh, it's bright. Guess who's taking a nap? It's almost 7 o'clock, but what's time anyways? Then I'm gonna get up and drink coffee and clean. So I'm on my way into work, and the following day, of course, and I did not get a chance to end my vlog last night because simply I laid down and the neighbor I laid down, and then that was pretty much the end of the night. So anyways, it was a really nice day yesterday. I did film a clip when we were leaving the park, but then I decided to take that out because it was not very flattering at all. We left around 4, so we were there for 4 hours, but it was a interesting 4 hours. Dominik had me on so many spinny rides that I was like, all right, I don't think I can do any more. We went on the teacups. That was the last one. I'm like, I'm done. I can't do anymore. So yeah, I honestly think that they were messing with people yesterday and just leaving the rides on for longer than they normally do, because we kept going on the tilt-a-whirl, and that thing was not turning off. It felt like it got longer and longer every time, and it was whipping us around, and it was so fun. But it was so funny because everybody that was in the little things, you could hear them all yelling the same thing, which I'm pretty sure you can figure out if you've been on that for too long. You're like, I'm gonna be sick. So it was a lot of fun. That's the wrap up for the day from yesterday. I hope everyone has a great rest of your day or night. Everyone's staying safe, everyone's happy, or at least trying to make an effort to be happy. And I will see you very soon in the next one. Bye.